Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside OBS, so open it and focus on the main canvas where scenes render. First, make sure the preview area is visible. This is where the disable control lives in most builds. Once done, pause any active recording or streaming to avoid accidental output changes. Also check that sources are correctly configured so you're adjusting the right preview. This first step sets the stage. You want the canvas active and OBS idle before changing preview behavior to prevent display or stream interruptions. Next, go to the View menu to find preview-related controls. OBS places preview toggles under View or as a dock. If you see Studio Mode, disable it to remove the dual preview/program panes. This stops the separate preview display. Alternatively, uncheck Enable Preview or close the preview dock to hide the canvas from the interface. Make sure you apply changes while OBS isn't streaming. Hiding the preview does not stop a live output, but it reduces local CPU/GPU usage and simplifies the interface. Finish by confirming the preview is gone. Switch scenes and observe the program output or test stream locally. If the preview returns after restarting OBS, save your current dock layout or set Studio Mode off in settings so it remains disabled. If settings fail to persist, restart OBS once to apply changes, and if problems continue, reset the UI layout from the Help menu to clear conflicting docks. One key troubleshooting tip: if the preview keeps reappearing, check for plugin or profile overrides that restore previous layouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.